Hi Stampers, it's Mindy here at Bada Bing Paper Crafting, and I have the September Spooky Treats Paper Pumpkin Kit. There's the box, isn't it cute? But I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys, and I did this box the opposite way. They're supposed to go this way, but I did it this way. But I want to show you how to fold the treat boxes. So what they are is they're a little slide out. So this part is separate, and then the little box is separate, and then you slide that inside like so, and they have little notches. So basically you just fold on all of the score lines, and I've seen a couple of videos with this and I don't know that they were quite correct. So these flaps are going to go in and down because you are going to, you see this little notch here, you're going to put this one over, the short one over, and that's going to leave that little notch there that this is actually going to fold into. So then you're going to fold this over and squeeze that down, and then that is going to lock in that little notch, if that makes sense. So anyway, that's how you do these treat boxes. I've seen some confusion with it, so I hope that was helpful.